Now, for any verbs, the rules go as follows. I'll use the examples of to eat and to live, which are comer, to eat, and vivir, which is to live. So for erir verbs, you take off the erir and put o to make it the I form in the present tense, just like for other verbs. So I eat would be como, you take off the er from comer and put o. For vivir, you take off the ir, put o. Vivo. And erir verbs will function the exact same for the entirety of the Spanish language, except for one exception. Now, if you want to say he, she, it, or you formal does whatever verb for erir verbs, you take off the erir and put e. So he eats, or she eats, or it eats, or you formal eats would be come. For live, it would be vive. And this also means living, like she is living, he is living. Now, for you informal, you take off the erir and put es, so comes, vives. Now, for we, here's the only exception between erir verbs. It's only in the present tense and it's only for the we form. This is the only exception for the entire language. Erir verbs are one group. They are conjugated the exact same. They follow the same rules, except for this one case, which is where for er verbs, it will be hemos. You take off the er and put hemos. And for ir verbs, you take off the ir and put imos. So we eat, or we are eating, would be comemos, and we live, or we are living, would be vivimos. This do not separate er and ir verbs. They work the same. Finally, for they or you guys, you take off the erir and put en. So, comen, viven is what they would be. That's the whole present tense in Spanish. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.